Hi everyone, in this video I want to show you how to make a flickering light with material light function. So let's make a material and we should choose the light function for material domain. At first we need to make a time node. The time node returns a value that constantly increases while we are playing the game. And in order to give the time node a pattern, we can use the sine function, and sine function gives the value of the time node a sine wave-like pattern. And because of the Unreal Engine's color system, we need a value between 0 and 1, so we use the Frac node, and Frac node takes the decimal part of a value. Now we have a flickering light with this material light function. Let's assign the material. Okay, here it is. And we can control the speed of this pattern by multiplying a constant value by time node. Let's start with 0.2. And now we see a slower movement of this pattern. And we can use a bigger number to make this pattern faster. Here it is. Let's stick with 0.2. And in order to make this flickering light pattern more random, we can add two sine functions together. Let's duplicate this section and add these two sine function node together. And now we have a, let's increase this value. And now we have a flickering light with a more random pattern. Thanks for watching.